You can see from your content browser that we now have a new folder. Let's grab some basic things to use, like the cliff wall. When you use the search field here, be careful which folder you are in. It will only search the folder you have selected. We can see some items here to use. Dragging them into the world will place them. Go ahead and zero out the location here by using the little reset icon. This will put the object directly in the center of the world, with zero offset from each direction. Drag another cliff wall here to connect them. You can make the location 0 here so it's right on top, then slide it into place. These assets were built to connect, much like Lego blocks. If you get seams in the middle, we can always cover that up with additional layers of detail, like some broken tiles. Dragging the tiles into the world and scaling them to match your size, then placing them where they need to be. Since we're in 3D, always check different angles here. If you would like to apply some symmetry, you can duplicate your item. Remember, to duplicate, hold Alt on Windows and Option on Mac when moving it. If I put a negative value in the scale, we will flip the item.